If they go in there, we'll lose them.
Explain it to them.
That was close.
They just don't want us going in there.
One minute to Nebula perimeter.
Why are we slowing? Can't follow them into the nebula, sir. Our shields would be useless.
They are reducing speed.
Uhura, patch me in.
Aye, sir. You're on, Admiral.
This is Admiral Kirk. We tried it once your way, Khan. Are you game for a rematch? Khan. I'm laughing at the superior intellect.
Full impulse power.
No, sir! You have Genesis. You can have whatever you... Full power! Anvil!
I'll say this for him. He's consistent.